Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make glide bass. Glide bass is a distinctive sound that creates a smooth, sliding transition between notes, adding a unique fluidity to your music. It's a staple in many electronic genres, from deep house to techno, and can give your tracks a professional, polished feel. We'll cover the essential synth settings, how to program your bass line effectively, and some tips for enhancing the overall sound. Let's dive in and get started on crafting your perfect glide bass. First, let's set up your synthesizer. You'll need to ensure your synth is in monophonic mode, meaning it plays only one note at a time. This is crucial for the glide effect. Next, locate the portamento or glide control. This knob or slider determines how quickly your notes slide into one another. Experiment with settings from 50 to 100 milliseconds for a noticeable but musical glide. Finally, begin with a basic waveform, such as a saw or square, as these provide a strong foundation. Now, let's program your bass line. The key to achieving the glide is to slightly overlap your MIDI notes in your sequencer. This tells the synthesizer to slide from one note to the next rather than playing them distinctly. Experiment with different note lengths. Longer overlaps create a more pronounced glide, while shorter ones offer a snappier transition. Always consider the musical key of your track to ensure your bass line remains harmonically pleasing and fits well within the overall composition. To truly make your glide bass shine, consider these enhancement techniques. First, introduce a touch of saturation or subtle distortion. This can add warmth, character, and help the bass cut through the mix without increasing its volume too much. Next, apply a low-pass filter to gently roll off the higher frequencies, giving your bass a smoother, more rounded sound. Finally, use a compressor with a gentle ratio, perhaps 2:1, to maintain a consistent volume and ensure your glide bass sits perfectly in the mix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.